At Femmefluence Radio, we believe when women own their wealth, power, and leadership, and do it in communion, the world changes into one that we are proud to live in and leave behind. Here, women are rich, recognized, and respected through all the types of currency that matters: cultural, financial, relationship-wise, spiritual, and health wealth. Season 1 of Femmefluence Radio was about establishing the values of our movement. And now Season 2 and beyond will explore deep conversations with entrepreneurs and executives of companies who are on a mission to change the world one move at a time, and share their wisdom of how to design a life that works for us without sacrificing our ambition, desires, affluence, and influence. I invited 8 leaders whose gifts, talents, and skills I admire and have had the pleasure of seeing up close. We don't just talk about ambition. We talk about what it took to get here, share real, useful, and vulnerable strategies that we're using today and what we're looking forward to next. Learn from them, follow them, and join our movement at www.femmefluence.com by sharing this series with other women who are pursuing a life of affluence and influence and contribution by design. Let us know below which topics you'd like us to feature, or nominate a Femmefluencer who you believe needs to be spotlighted on this platform, including yourself. See you in the next episode.